scared.
Me too, Eric. How are we gonna get out of this?
Whoa, what a wreck! We can clean up the cargo, but we need a double hitch to pull you back onto the tracks.
Well, where do we get that?
There's only one train in all GeoTrax with a double hitch, and that's
Us! Clickety-clap, we're ready. Pull, woohoo! Pull!
My calculations show that Woohoo is not strong enough to pull Arrow off the edge himself.
GeoTrax team, all pull together!
Hey, Arrow! We're safe!
Yeah, thanks to GeoTrax teamwork. Thanks, Woohoo. You're a great help when somebody needs a double hitch.
Okay, now that you're safe, we've got to finish the race. Okay, you ready to roll, Arrow?
Ahem. Woohoo and Opie saved you. Now, shouldn't you be more of a team player?
Hey, Arrow, I have an idea. Maybe we should help Woohoo this time.
Trax-tastic thought, Eric. I'll show them the way to the finish line.
Team GeoTrax!